Hey guys, it's me again, and you know, it was sunny for 2 weeks. I didn't see a cloud in the sky. In the morning I decide to come down out of the mountains. It starts dumping rain on me. I don't know what it is with me and coming down the mountains and, you know, going back into the burbs, but every time I do it, it starts to rain. And to think, I had more car repair plans, but I guess not anymore. Alright, see you later. Alright, so it stopped raining and the sun came out for a little while. I got a couple of hours worth of break in the rain, so I'm going to use this opportunity. I bought a new battery for this thing the other day and installed it in there, no problems at all. Right now I went and bought a new house battery because the old one there is getting a little tired. So I took the battery out and I'm looking around, and yeah, I got a lot of rust in here. And I've got this broken hair dryer that I'm using to clean out, or I'm sorry, to dry out the water and baking soda mix that I use to neutralize the battery acid. So it's bad. Look at that big giant old hole, rust hole. You can see the ground there. You can see my foot. Woo, rust. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to be using some of this stuff. It's temporary. I have to wait until the dry season actually start cutting out, and I've got a bunch of 18 gauge sheet metal here, so I'm going to cut it out and use my dad's sheet metal brake. And you know, that's my Lincoln 140C MIG welder, and I'm going to go ahead and rebuild that entire area this summer. So let me turn this around here and get some of this dried out so I can get it sprayed and converted. Kind of a pain in the butt, you guys, but you know what? I've seen way worse rust, and I've fixed way worse rust. So that's what I'm doing today, everybody. Hope everybody's having a good time, and remember, life is too short to be miserable.